Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Microsoft Word couldn't start last time. Safe mode could help you troubleshoot the problem. First, search up Registry Editor and open it. Here, open Current User. Scroll down, open Software. Now open Office and open the latest Office version that you are using. Then, right-click on Common, click on New, and select the word 32-bit. Rename it to Enable Shell Data Caching. Then simply right-click on it, select Modify, input 1 as value, and click on OK. Close this, restore your PC, and that's it.